Hello YouTube, this is Chris. Today's video is going to be on cleaning stations. A cleaning station is basically a symbiotic relationship between some kind of a cleaner and a fish. So when the fish comes in, they may need parasites removed or dead scales if they have an infection or have some kind of damage. The cleaners will take care of this, and they also get a free meal in the process. I hope you enjoy. Let's watch the video. Here we have a Peterson cleaning shrimp. If you notice, you can see his antenna is waving. That's his indication that he's open for business. So I place my hand. The cleaning shrimp will cautiously approach me, make sure I'm not a threat to him. Once he feels it is safe, it's down to business. Nature's manicure. So after I back up, a Crayola rasp moves in. It doesn't take long for more Crayola rasps to start joining. By the end, the cleaner ends up with a lineup. Next, this Barracuda, he comes to his favorite cleaning spot several times a day. I am not sure if this French angelfish is being an aggressive cleaner or a jerk. I'm gonna go with jerk. Well, hello again. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, put them in the comment line and I'll get back to you. Thank you, and we'll dive again another day. Take care.